Understanding the phrase, eye exam. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, eye exam. It's a common term in English, especially if you've ever visited an optometrist. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Eye. The word eye refers to the organ of sight in humans and animals. It's what we use to see everything around us. Think of it as a camera that captures images of the world. Exam. Exam is short for examination. In general, an examination means a detailed inspection or study of something to determine its nature, condition, or quality. When you put the two words together, eye exam refers to a detailed inspection of the eyes. This examination is usually done by a specialist called an optometrist or ophthalmologist to check for vision problems, eye diseases, or other issues related to eye health. 1. Medical settings. If you visit an eye doctor because you're having trouble seeing or if you just want to ensure your eyes are healthy, they might say, "Let's schedule an eye exam." 2. School or work. Sometimes, for certain jobs or activities, you might need an eye exam to ensure your vision meets certain standards. 3. Casual conversations. Someone might mention they had an eye exam if they're discussing their health, or if they've recently gotten glasses or contact lenses. Here are a few examples to help you understand the context. 1. I think I need an eye exam. My vision has been blurry lately. 2. She told me her eye exam went well, and she doesn't need glasses. 3. Before you apply for that driver's license, they might require an eye exam to ensure you can see well enough to drive. And there you have it. The term eye exam is all about checking the health and functionality of our eyes. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, it's always good to regularly get an eye exam to ensure your eyes are in their best condition. Stay curious, and until next time, happy learning!